Welcome to Game Rush. This is where we review and recap last week's activities. Things are going to move pretty fast, so if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments or shoot us an email. Let's get started. The first game we're going to look at is Volleyball Poker. It's one of our favorite games to play as an elective in volleyball. Non-traditional volleyball game, of course, but it does help your students bump, set, and work together as a team. The concept's really easy. You don't need much. You just need a court and volleyballs. Have a group of 4 to 5 get in the circle, and then you draw a card out. And you hold the card up and you call the card out. And if it's a jack, that's 11. If it's a queen, that's 12. A king's 13, and an ace is 14. That's how many times a group has to bump or set it consecutively in a row to earn that card. Once they have 5 cards, we're going to stop, they're out, and we'll give every other group a chance to earn 5 cards. And at the end of it, I'll go through and I'll sort the hands, and we'll see which hand was the best poker hand, and I'll declare a winner. It's that simple. Your group will love it. I recommend ages 5th and 6th struggled a little bit with it. 7th and 8th did great, so I'd say probably 7th and 8th on up would be great for this activity. Let me know what you think. Leave it in comments, and as always, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow. Have a great day. Let's get after it.